problem. X plus x log of x into dx. The question is you're not having any product like f of x into f dash of x or f of x by f dash of x. There is no such thing over here. The question is how to remove common, how to integrate this one. For that, you can just remove common here. Can you see x is common? Let us remove x as common here so that we'll get some standard form. X is common. The moment I take x as common, I'll be getting 1 plus log of x into dx. Now you can observe that you are having product. Now the question is whether I have to put this x as t or I have to put 1 plus log of x as t. These are the two possibilities I'm having. The question is which possibility I need to take. See, if you try to differentiate one value, you have to get the other value. If I try to differentiate log, I'll be getting 1 by x. Therefore, this whole value has to be taken as f of x. So you can't blindly take f of x value. You have to decide f of x value based on its derivative, whether it exists or not. Now 1 by x will give us f dash of x. So this is again first form, f dash of x by f of x form. So integral of f dash of x by f of x form, it is there. So therefore I have to put this f of x to be t. So put 1 plus log of x to be t. Now let us try to differentiate this one with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So if we try to differentiate this with respect to x, derivative of 1 will be 0 and derivative of log of x will be 1 by x into derivative of this x will be dx is equals to dt. Or if I try to ignore this 0, I'll be getting 1 by x into dx will be equals to what? dt. Now if you try to plug in back there in the given integral, I will be equals to nothing but integral of 1 by x dx. So this 1 by x into dx is what? dt. Divided by the denominator 1 plus log of x is taken as what? t. Therefore dt by t, I have already done it over here. The first problem, dt by t, I think, yeah, dt by t. Can you see here? So dt by t will be log of t itself, log of t plus c. Therefore, you'll be getting this value as log of t plus c. Log of t plus the constant c. But what is the value of t here? If you go back to t here, t is what? 1 plus log x. 1 plus what you're having? T value is 1 plus log x. So you'll be getting 1 plus log of x plus the constant c. So that will be the required solution.